Alright everybody, welcome back once again. It's Albert Lebel. I've got a challenge locking device rocking and rolling ready to go. It is called Peaks of Everest and it's by the one and only Steel Pinnings. And gotta tell you something, man. Oh, by the way, it's called Peaks of Everest because it is an Everest. It's an Everest kick. This lock here is one of those locks that we've all heard the camera shy deal. Let me tell you something, man. I've picked this lock like where I wouldn't say easy, but I picked it open fairly well, and then I've had a couple bouts where I just couldn't open it to save my life. And I'm hoping this time around, there's bidding on the key, by the way, and like I said, it is an Everest, so it does have that little pin down at the bottom that the key kicks up, so we'll deal with that. But it does work like a brand new lock, feels like. And I am seriously hoping that I can capture this beast on camera. I'm going to throw my little dude in the bottom here to kick that pin up. We can defeat that real easy. And let's just get right into it, because like I said, I don't know how this is going to go. I will be trying to go clockwise rather. And I'll be using a couple different picks, because obviously there's a pin way in the back, a high pin in the back that we're going to have to deal with at some point, so we'll deal with it as we get there. Let's see if we can get something started first though. Fair enough, fair enough. I think that was 3. That was 2. Let that drop. Three, couple clicks. Trying to get something to talk to me here. It's not really. It's not too, it's not telling me nothing. Let me try to get that, go in the back here and see if I can get that sucker in the back maybe. Okay, now we got a nice deep falset. Now hopefully we can hang on to that SOB and pick us the freaking lock. Because I can tell you right now, man, this thing's a B word. Okay, we got a counter right here on, was it 2 or 1? Okay, still got that false set. Come on, baby, let this be the one. Counter again. I want to say it's 3. Let me make sure. Yep. Okay, counter on 3. Let me use this pick from Das Everest here. Might get better control on it. There we go. Counter rotation. Come on, baby. There we go. You see, that's what I'm talking about. And that's what I meant by that was probably one of the faster ones, but that's because I've tried this one before. But I've also had bouts with this same exact lock where I simply just gave up. I had to put it away and just walk away. So, badass lock it is. Alright, let's get it out of here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Alright, bring the camera down over here-ish. Get us a pinning tray going on. Alright. Bada boom, bada bing, man. That work? I don't know why I'm so zoomed in there. Okay, so get it out of here. Very much open. Fair enough. It's not a super deep false set no more. Lock it back up since we got a key. And let's get into this bad boy right here. Yeah, man, like I said, I've actually had bouts with this thing where I just I had to put it down. I had to walk away from it. I just walked away, had me scratching my head thinking, my God, is it even possible? And I put the key in it and turn it and say, okay, the lock works. If the lock works, it can be picked. Alright, bada boom, bada bang. I am so glad I just got that on camera. I'm serious. All right, so let's see if we can get a shim in that bad boy. Oh, okay, another shim in that bad boy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, the follower. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, it's gonna have that little pin at the bottom too for the, because it's an Everest, so I will try and keep my finger on it like so. Okay, so not sure why it's, oh yeah, because the key's still in there. Ah, all right, get the key out of there. Ah, okay, now we can, you see that pin at the bottom here? That's what that'll, I guess it's kind of a control type device. It pushes that pin up so the core will rotate. Ooh. Tweezers. I'm going to set that stuff aside because we don't need to deal with that. Okay. So it looks like everything needed picking. Get it laid out. Yeah, this was a fantastic lock, man. Steel Pinnings. Well done. This thing had me actually rethinking my picking abilities. Yeah, buddy, let me grab my specs. I was using them somewhere else, sorry about that. Okay, let's see, where am I at? Bada boom, bada bang. On the core. Looks like there's threading in 1 through, well, let me see. There is, but it's only, okay, so let me go with undercut in 6. Now this threading in 1, 3, and 4 is only part way down. I hope we can pick that up. You see that? It's only a few threads down, so it's not actually all the way. That's pretty cool. That's a good idea, man. I may borrow that. All right. Let's get these rotated around here. Whoa. Goes that way, and goes that way. Okay. Bada boom, bada bang. Alright, going upstairs. Let's see. Let's shim out. I'm going to go ahead and mark that front. Well, I guess you can, yeah, it's got that hole. I should have known. Okay. Can't mess that up on these. Alright. I'm just freaking nervous because I actually got it open on camera. I got them good shakes. Alright, we've got it nicely serrated in 1. Looks like a steel spring. Ooh, yeah. There's like some spool action in 2. Looks like another steel spring. Looks like serrated in, what is it, 3? Another steel spring. Yeah, buddy. I'm going to try to hold this up a little higher. Ooh. Because it's a little spool. That was 4. Yet another steel spring. We can go to the other side because we still got sort of a V back there. So we'll go 6. Nice. Nice long, deep spool right there, boy. Yeah, buddy. So that's 6. And then 5. And 5 will be that standard pin that holds everything up. Well played. Well played. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is definitely one of those locks that was well planned and executed. So let's see, that's the front. So, and no mods to the Bible. Absolutely freaking fantastic. Fantastic. What a great lock. Steel Pinnings. Knocked this one out of the park, buddy. Knocked it out of the park. So again, this was Peaks of Everest from Steel Pinnings. Now let me grab my little table here. Rotate it around here. And see if we can do it this way. What am I doing here? There we go. Still getting used to this, sorry. Alright, Jesus. Look good? Looks good to me. Alright, so we've got key pins. We've got a serrated and number 1, almost spool-like. That's, I don't know, we'll call it serrated. 2, it's got a reduced top on it. 3, double serrated. 4, double serrated. 5, again with that reduced top. 6 is a serrated with a very sharp top on it. Drivers, recycle key pins, but that's fine. Double serrated in 1, spool in 2, serrated in 3, a little mini spool in 4, standard in 5, and a nice deep spool in number 6. And all the springs look like they're not sticking, but I bet you they look steel. I mean, they're silvery. Some kind of steel. Anyways, that's what we got. Peaks of Everest from Steel Pinnings. Thank you so much, brother, for making that lock. And I want to say Cameron Dunn sent it my way, if I remember right. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. And please leave a comment. I will reply. All right? Big Al, signing out. Oh, and TGIF.